Good day, my friends and family. I'm Nurse Delight. Don't forget, are you experiencing a very stubborn cough? Worry no more. Get a very big onion. Get one big onion. Peel off the back, wash it thoroughly. Cut it into two. Get 1 teaspoonful of sugar. Use it and cover the surface of the onion that you have cut. Put it in a bowl and cover it. After 3 hours, come back. You will see a liquid that have melted out from the onion. Drink it. If it's a child you are giving it, give 2.5 ml or 5 ml depending the age. If you are an adult, you can take 10 ml and see the magic. Follow me for more tips. I'm Nurse Delight.